What's up, guys? What do you really need from a security camera? You might say, only high-quality footage, but in fact, modern security cameras offer many useful features. Just look at the new camera from Baseus. It looks like a robot, doesn't it? This is because of its unique 3-axis bracket and 300-degree panorama tracking system with a solar panel. Its two lenses can independently track objects, and the camera also supports AI tracking, for example, humans, animals, cars, and so on. Both lenses have 3K resolution, which should ensure high-quality footage both during the day and at night. We will check this out in this video. Since this is an outdoor security camera, it has IP65 water protection, and it is built to last in any weather. So let's start the review of the world's first smart AI dual tracking security camera from the Baseus by unboxing it. The Baseus Security X1 Pro camera comes in this box. I have already told you about some of its features, but you can also read them on the box, such as dual independent camera tracking, up to 300-degree pan coverage, sun-powered tracking system, 3K crystal clear image, and many others. Here we can also see what's inside the box. Let's check it out. First, we have quick start guide in the box. Now I want to take out the camera itself, but we will look at it a little later. There is also a solar panel with a long charging cable, 4 meters, a bracket for mounting the solar panel, a bracket for mounting the camera, a base for the camera, and a screw pack. If you don't understand anything right now, don't worry, I will explain the installation a little later. So that's all we have in the package. This is how the Baseus Security X1 Pro outdoor camera looks like. It is really big, but I wouldn't say it is heavy. Its dimensions are 127 by 108 by 80 mm. The weight is 610 grams. The camera is made of white matte plastic, and only the lenses are black. You know, 2 lenses on the front are actually not that big, but the back part is quite large, because the built-in battery is located there. It has a capacity of 7800 mAh and provides up to 150 days of battery life on a single charge. The 2 cameras on the front are identical, and they have lenses, PIR motion detection sensors, and spotlights. The microphone and working status indicator are located in this area. If we will look at the bottom, we will see a speaker here. The side panels have only Baseus security logos. There's a sync button on the back, as well as a USB-C charging port and a micro SD card slot under a rubber plug. That's it. I have to say that the new Baseus security camera looks very nice and even futuristic. I also like its build quality. The camera looks sturdy, which is important for outdoor use. Now let's install the mobile app and look at its functions. You can find Baseus app in the App Store on your Android or iOS device, but we need the Baseus Security App. Do not confuse them. In this app, we can add a new camera. As you can see, the Baseus company actually has many security cameras. Our camera is at the very bottom because it is the latest one. The connection is very simple. Just press the sync button on the back of the camera for 5 seconds until you hear a beep.
Welcome.
And then press the next button on your phone. After that, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password from it. Wait a little, and the camera will be connected. Now we are prompted to select a working mode for the security camera, solar panel management, storage, camera charging, camera installation, etc. Okay, this is how the app for the Baseus Security X1 Pro looks like. In the center of the screen, we see images from 2 cameras. There's a big microphone button for two-way communication.
1, 2, 3.
The functions at the bottom of the screen include Record, Capture, Mute, Full Image, Spotlight, Alert, Night Vision, and Direction. By swiping left, you can also find Auto Tracking and Mark. I like that these frequently used camera functions are quickly accessible from the app's home screen. There's also a camera settings menu in the app. The first function here is face management, but it is still in beta testing. When the camera captures a face, the system generates a face album. This should be a useful feature, and I haven't seen it on other security cameras. Then you can switch the camera on and off. You know, the Baseus Security X1 Pro even has an automatic rotation of the solar panel for better charging. That sounds amazing, but unfortunately, I cannot test this feature right now. If you're interested, I will test it and make a separate video about it. In the Power Manager menu, we can select the working mode once again, such as optimal battery life, optical surveillance, and customized recording. Motion detection settings are available separately for each camera, such as detection sensitivity, activity zone, detection type, and smart detection. You can also find video settings, audio settings, patrol mode, notifications, and general settings in this app. You know, I'm especially interested in auto tracking, patrol mode, and AI detection functions, and we will check out them later when we test image quality. But for now, let me tell you about the installation. I would like to dwell on the installation, because the Baseus Security X1 Pro camera uses an innovative patented 3-axis flexible bracket. First, you need to find a place where you get the best viewing angle. Since this is an outdoor camera, it should be installed in the backyard, on the front porch, or on a street pole. You know, I live in an apartment, so I will not be able to install the camera outside, and I will be testing it indoors. The next step is a camera bracket installation. You just need to align the bracket with the mounting slot on the camera and push it. If you have already found a place to install the camera, then you are ready to install the base. For that, you need to drill holes with a drill bit and insert expansion bolts into the holes. Now you can attach the solar panel to the base, use screws, or choose another location for it. Finally, you can insert the camera bracket into the base and just press down. You know, this is a very good solution, because you can quickly remove the camera from the base by simply pressing buttons on both sides. By the way, I already told you about an innovative 3-axis flexible bracket, and you can rotate the camera at almost any angle. First, you can press the angle lock button on the base and adjust the camera horizontally to 0, -45 degrees or +45 degrees. You can also rotate the camera bracket to adjust the angle horizontally by ±40 degrees. The bracket also supports a vertical adjustment by ±90 degrees. So this is a 3-axis bracket that allows you to install the camera at optimal viewing angle. By the way, you can also manually rotate the solar panel at different angles. That's great. Okay, let's move on to image quality. The Baseus Security X1 Pro has 2 lenses, each with a resolution of 3K 2560 by 1440 pixels. By the way, when you press the record button in the app, the video is recorded from both cameras at the same time in a single file rather than 2 separate files. The notifications about motion detection arrive very quickly. You can see how many notifications I received while I am working in this video. One of the main features of the Baseus Security X1 Pro is the auto tracking feature, and it works really well. As I told you, I am testing the camera in my apartment, but I can also show you footage taken outside. As for the night shooting, the camera has 3 modes: black and white night vision, spotlight night vision, and turned off. In the last mode, the IR LED and spotlight are turned off, so nothing can be seen in the dark. The black and white mode is very good, and everything is clearly visible. But you can also turn on the 2 powerful flashlights for the color night vision. Now the image quality is almost as good as during the day. In addition, the flashlights can scare away unwanted guests, and they will run away from your yard. So the Baseus Security X1 Pro camera is probably just what you need for your house. This wireless outdoor camera has a built-in battery for up to 150 days of battery life and even a solar panel. A unique feature of this security camera is its 3-axis bracket, which allows it to be installed at almost any angle and provides a 300-degree viewing angle. Its 2 lenses rotate independently of each other for more accurate motion detection and tracking. By the way, I forgot to mention that the camera does not have any paid subscriptions. All features are completely free and accessible. You can use microSD memory cards up to 512 gigs. For the price of only $149, it looks like a really good outdoor security camera. Thank you for watching. See you soon!